Okay, to show you how reliable a Cetme is, the fact that it'll shoot without an extractor, I've taken the bolt off, and we're going to pull the extractor out. We're going to shoot a couple rounds without an extractor and show you that it will eject rounds, or you can use it as a single shot without your extractor. It's just got this little cotter pin here. Use some sort of pin or punch. Catch it, and it just pulls out. The extractor comes straight off just like that. We'll put it back in the gun and then fire a couple rounds.
Right above the bullseye.
I don't know if you can tell, but these lines come out of the chamber of that Cetme because of the fluted chamber. It beats the brass to death as far as reloading, but it's one of the reasons that it's so very reliable. Okay?